Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing well. In today's video we are literally going to be freezing to death. As you can see, it is absolutely frosty in the UK right now, but we're not going to let that stop us. In today's video we are going to be installing these brand new Hella horns, which I got off eBay for very cheap, because these are the fake eBay ones, but I don't see why they're any different. But yeah, that's about it guys. Went on eBay, got myself some electric super horns, which these are gonna look absolutely crazy, especially because now I got the sport grille, my car, as you can see, and because you got the sport grille you can literally see all the guts, you can see everything inside. It's not really showing on camera, but now it is. But yeah, obviously because I got the sport grille, I think these will pop out really nicely. And yeah, apparently they're supposed to be super horns, so they're supposed to be a bit more louder than the OEM ones, I'm assuming. And yeah, these are a pretty popular mod for the IS200s, so nothing too special, but figured I might as well make a nice video on it. So yeah, let's get this thing unboxed. Alright, so we got our horns here. As you can see, 12 volts, which is what we need. High tone, I don't know what any of this means, I can't lie. But oh, what the, bro, what is that? What the flip? Apparently you get these original ones, these authentic ones, they're actually called Hella horns, and then you get these Chinese rip-offs, but the original ones are quite expensive. I think they go for like 35 to even 50 pounds for the original Hella horns. These I got for like 10 quid, so they're a lot more cheaper, but as long as they do their job I don't really see the issue. But first impressions, bro, these are massive. These are genuinely massive. Like when I first saw these, I was not expecting these to be this big. Here's one of them, and I mean, the quality, it's a bit dirty because of all the foam, but as for the quality, I mean, considering I got it for £10, which is incredibly cheap, I mean, the quality is not all that, but I guess I can't really complain. Even the metal, you can see, is it going to show on camera? There's like splits in the metal in some of them. Like, the quality isn't the best, I'm not going to lie. But yeah, I don't really have much else to say, apart from how much I just love the design of these. Like, I've always loved, like, this red sort of gate surrounding the horn. It just looks so sick. I love it so much. But I'm gonna do something a little different though. I want to show you guys. I'm actually trying to go for a black and purple theme with my car, so I am going to be painting my brake calipers purple. But what I also want to do, I want to match these with my brake calipers, so I'm actually going to be spraying these purple. I couldn't find any purple ones for sale, unfortunately, so I'm going to have to paint it myself. But yeah, I don't think it'll be too hard. I do already have some paint ready, so I guess what I'm gonna do, just unbolt these 6 or 1 2 3 5, yeah, I'm gonna unbolt these 6 screws and the gate should come off. But yeah, let's head inside and get this thing painted. All right, we've got our horn, got our screwdriver or whatever the hell this is, and then yes, we've got 1 2 3 4 5, so we've got 6 Phillips screws that we have to remove. So we'll take all of these off. There's one removed, time for the next one. Alright, so we got the 2 red gates off, came off pretty easily, just 6 bolts on each side, pretty cool, you know. Right, so the color we decided to go for is calibrated purple, which as you guys can see, it's heat resistant, and I did get heat resistant because obviously I'm going to be using this exact same color for my calipers whenever the weather's nice, obviously. But holy shit. Alright, so this is the color, as you guys can see. I've mixed it a bit now. Absolutely gorgeous color. I'm so pleased with the color. But yeah, apart from that, I gave it a good mix and got my paintbrush ready. I think we can now finally start painting the grills.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Oh wow, oh my god, I'm so scared, bro. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright guys, it's been a few days. I've let the horns dry up now, and as you can see, they came out absolutely amazing. But let me take one of them out, I'll show you guys. Oh! Right, as you guys can see, here's the final finish. I've already bolted it in, but it looks absolutely amazing. I don't know how well that's shown on camera, but I mean, considering I used a bloody paintbrush, it came out pretty good. I'm really happy with it, honestly. I thought it would have been like really shit, I'm not gonna lie. Right, now that we've got these painted, we can finally get these things installed. Alright, so we're gonna make a start now. So I've got my, what is this? I've got my 12mm. I'm gonna remove this bolt over there and that bolt over there. Alright, so we took the bolts out, and yeah, we just gonna grab the horns now, try and pull it out of here. Alright, so we've got one horn out, and I want to show you guys how to do this step by step. So firstly, obviously there's a connector, so you're just gonna pull that out, which can be a bit difficult. Oh, never mind. Now here's where things get a little bit interesting. So we got our brand new horn, but as you can see, we got one connector here, but on the horn we've got two. We got two connector entry points over here. So one of these are for that connector over there, and the other one is actually a ground for the horn. So obviously what you guys want to do, you want to get some cable. I got brown one, and before we do install it, you just want to get it inside. You just want to put it through the hole, right? So I fed the wires to one of the connectors over here, and obviously guys, make sure you solder it as well, but in this case I'm just gonna quickly do it real quick just so I can show you guys quick time. And it is raining right now, so yeah, that's pretty much the hard part done. Now what we have to do is literally we're gonna plug in the other one now, the other side. Just plug it in, it should go straight in. Right, so once we plugged it on that side and obviously got the earth wire installed, we can now pretty much bolt it in. Right, once you've got it in place, remember, make sure it's all connected and you've got your earth wire ready. We're going to install this afterwards. Just bolt it in and be careful, because like I said guys, these horns are massive. They're quite tight. They literally stick up right against the grill, but just bolt it in first real quick. Alright guys, now that you got that installed, I'm going to show you guys how to earth it now. So we've got earth wire obviously, and I've decided I'm going to put it over here. So literally all you have to do, just loosen this bolt. You can use any bolt for any earth. You can use this one, you can use that one, you can use this one, as long as it's tied to the chassis. And yeah, all you have to do is just insert it there, just so it's like touching it, if that makes sense. Once it's in there, we're basically going to bolt it back down, and this earth wire should then be tight to the chassis. That's literally all you have to do guys. It's pretty damn easy. And now we can test the horn out and see if it works. Okay, that is seriously loud. Anyways, now that we've done that, we're going to move on to the next one now. It's pouring rain now, so we managed to get one on. As you guys can see, it looks absolutely crazy. And yeah, when the rain stops, we're going to put on the other one.
Yeah, when I'm on D&D, they still for me. A bag of man around me, I still feel lonely. And I won't do collabs if you ain't real only. I try to stay low key, yeah, but they still know me. Yeah, they say I'm hard if they aim to hit my bars and relate. I'm stacking for a property, no stars in the rave. No security, I say the walls and I'm safe. No insecurities, that's what my bars indicate. Yeah, I got eye bags, I stay up all night. Yeah, it's draining. But it's alright, I ain't complaining. I'm even out all night when it's raining.
Alright guys, as you guys can see, we finally installed both of the header horns. The next day it was absolutely pouring with rain the whole entire day yesterday. But yeah bro, I honestly, like, what can I say bro? These look absolutely insane. Especially with the matching purple lights, bro. These look crazy. I don't know how well they're showing through camera, but guys, let me just tell you, in person, these actually stick out. They pop out a lot. I mean, considering it's a purple as well, it's quite dark. But if you guys did go for a brighter color or left it red, it would stick out a lot more. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think these look absolutely crazy, bro. Like, if you guys have a sport grill in your IS, you need to do this mod. Like, this is the thing you have to do with the sport grill, as you guys can see. But yeah, that's it pretty much for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or anything, just let me know in the comments down below, and any other suggestions as what I can do with this car, just let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.